You're not rude, you're not difficult, but something in the way you show up is quietly costing you respect, and the people around you will never tell you what it is. 3 behaviors, all invisible, all fixable. You over-explain decisions nobody questioned. Researchers at Princeton's social neuroscience lab found that when people justify unprompted decisions, observers unconsciously read it as low social status, not thoughtfulness, insecurity. When you say, "I took that route because the traffic was bad and also I thought," to someone who simply asked if you arrived okay, your brain is broadcasting that you need their approval. You didn't ask for permission, but you're acting like you did. High-status individuals state their choices. They don't defend them. The explanation is the tell. You apologize for things that don't require an apology. A 2010 study published in Psychological Science by Karina Schumann at Carnegie Mellon University found something that contradicts everything you were taught. People who apologize excessively are perceived as less trustworthy, not more. Sorry to bother you. Sorry, can I ask something? Sorry for taking up your time. The word sorry is a social repair tool. It exists to fix a rupture. When you use it for filler, you're not being polite, you're signaling that your presence itself is an inconvenience. You are preemptively apologizing for existing, and people feel that. Now the most powerful one. You abandon your opinion the moment someone pushes back. A study published in the journal Neuron by researchers at University College London used brain imaging to show that social pressure activates the brain's error correction circuits, the exact same systems that fire when you make a factual mistake. That's why you change your answer when someone disagrees. Not because you were wrong, because disagreement feels neurologically identical to being wrong. But here's what else the research found. Observers who watch you reverse your position under social pressure without new evidence immediately downgrade their assessment of your competence and trustworthiness. They don't think you're flexible, they think you don't actually believe anything. And people cannot respect someone they can't predict. Consistency of position, especially under pressure, is one of the most powerful unconscious signals of value a person can display. If one of these is you, share this. Someone in your life needs to hear it.